Hi, thanks for clicking this video. A sub to this channel will be highly appreciated. IIIF150 have finally teased Air 3 and B3 rugged Android phones. Some of the informations they have teased so far about the two upcoming rugged phones, Air 3 and B3, indicates that Air 3 will be a slim rugged phone like the Air 2, while the B3 will be chunky with big battery. IIIF150 have not released much information about these phones, but based on what they have revealed so far, the IIIF150 Air 3 will have a 6.6-inch full high-definition display with a 2400 by 1080 resolution. In terms of camera, Air 3 will come with a 100 megapixel primary rear camera and a 32 megapixel front camera, which is perfect for capturing stunning images. The device will be powered by a 5000 mAh battery, supporting 30 Watt fast charging. Air 3 is a slim rugged design, so it is expected to have an IP68/IP69K standards and military standard 810H certification to ensure durability in harsh environments. Some additional features to expect will be side-mounted fingerprint for secure authentication, dual SIM card slots with support for multiple languages, and a convenient Type-C charging interface. The IIIF150 Air 3 runs on the Android 14 operating system. As for the B3, based on the information released so far, it looks like it's going to be a beefier version of the Air 3 in terms of size, but the specifications are quite similar to Air 3. It looks like the IIIF150 plan to start shipping both phones around September this year, so stay tuned for the official announcement and make sure you subscribe to this channel to get updates when it drops. I will be covering and making comparison videos for these phones when I receive more information. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.